Hi everybody, welcome back to METV. Thank you so much for watching. So a few days ago, somebody asked me how to delete a Facebook page. They'd been in a direct sale company previously. They had a page for that, and they wanted to delete it because they've started with a new company and they have a new page. So I know I posted a video about this a while back, but like everything else, social media is constantly changing and updating. So I wanted to post a new video showing you how to delete a Facebook page. Before I get to that, I am posting one new video every day in February with a tip or a tool to help you grow your direct sale business. Here's one that I posted that I love: how to reach your team and customers using slide broadcast. You guys, this tool right here is so inexpensive that it's crazy, and it's so easy to use. I just had to share it with you guys. I think it is a super effective way to communicate with your team and give it that personalized touch. We do so much work with email and text that, you know, sometimes people just need to hear your voice. And here's a really great tool that you can use where people can hear your voice, but where you can reach a lot of people at one time. Okay, so take a look at that when you get a chance. All right, so let's get right into how to delete a Facebook page. All right, so go to your Facebook account and hit your home button. Okay, and then over here on the side, go to your pages. Okay, then on the top here, you're gonna come over to the right hand side and click on your pages. These are the pages that you manage. Find the one that you want to delete and click on that. So once you're on the page that you want to delete, across the top you'll find the menu option for the settings. So click on your settings and scroll all the way to the bottom where it says remove page. Click on that, and then it's going to want you to confirm, do you permanently want to delete your page? You're going to click on that. It's going to ask you to confirm again. Again, you know, it's a big deal to delete a page. They want to make sure that that you want to do this action. So once you delete a page, you cannot get it back. Are you sure? They're going to ask again, and you're going to click delete, and your page is deleted. Click OK, and you are done. All right, you guys, that's it. Pretty simple video today. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.